Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming materials and the artwork. First, pick transfer type, heat vinyl, inkjet transfer paper, or sublimation, because each needs different workflow. Open your design and mirror the image. You want exact final size so alignment is simple. Once done, load scrap material and test cut with recommended blade and pressure settings. This prevents wasting transfers. Make sure your cutter or printer profile matches the material, and that you note which side will contact the fabric during application. Next, you execute the transfer production step. If using inkjet paper, print at highest quality and allow the sheet to cool before trimming. This reduces smearing. If cutting vinyl, cut then weed carefully and apply application tape. Alignment becomes effortless when positioned. For sublimation, print mirrored on sublimation paper and prep the substrate, polyester or coated ceramic, then align and secure with heat-resistant tape. Throughout, verify registration marks and perform a small proof to confirm colors and placement before final application. Finally, you press and finish the transfer with care. Preheat the garment or substrate to remove moisture, then apply consistent pressure, temperature, and time per material guidelines. Peel the carrier hot or cold as specified to avoid lifting. Once done, let the item cool if required, then perform a follow-up press or cover with parchment for added durability. If edges lift or colors look weak, adjust time or temperature slightly, or test a different pressure setting before redoing the entire print.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.